I have some thumbing noise when I press my brakes. I had replaced the rotors and last weekend, and then also 5 6 months ago I had replaced my brakes. That's aftermarket brakes. So now when I go down hills with high speed, I can hear vibration noise. The steering wheel is not too bad. It's just this noise. It doesn't. I mean, it doesn't cause any problem stopping, but the noise is pretty loud. I'm just wondering, should I replace the brake pads or is something else? What do you think? In the video, I was pressing brakes going downhill, and then I let go and I press it, let go, just to show the noise level. Anyway, let me know what you think.